Yo, what up, everybody? Welcome to the stream. Just going to go ahead and convert over to me. Getting a little funky with it up in here. Yo, Gringos, I got you on the coin giveaway. Don't worry about it, man. I tried to warn you, but it's all right. I figured that would happen. Whoa. I remember you. Today's a great day, guys. That's over. Wow, what a good way to just go ahead and start into it. What up, everybody? Welcome to the stream, the only stream that anybody should ever come to, except for Gestures, or maybe my brother's stream. But anyways, let me know if the mic is peaking. It sounds like it could be. I'm getting a little bit of monitor coming back in the ear, and it sounds like I'm getting close to the peak. And let me know if the audio, I could probably turn up the audio a little bit more. Is that better for you guys with the audio like that high? I'm like running to the yellow, but I've realized that my voice sometimes becomes a little bit quiet on the stream. So I think that should be fine. Yeah, right? Okay, cool. We got something to get into. Those 3 streams only, and others, and Joe Biden. We'll kick you out. Nah, there's other people for sure. Like, well, it's interesting. I wouldn't say he's one of my friends, but I have him hosted on my actual channel page. His name is Bryce Fifield. If he went live, he does a lot of Fortnite, but he streams more specifically over on Twitch. And I think the reason why he doesn't stream on YouTube is because he doesn't know about restream. But that's not bad. I mean, I would watch one of his streams. I just feel bad because I haven't been able to make one of his streams, you know. And then like Rideshare Storytime, Tim Pfizer, if he went live, for sure, like I wouldn't care. There's tons of other people I could go through and name off, but those are probably like the 4 or 5 core people that I would say are like in my like pretty close circle of like friends on YouTube that are YouTube creators. And then outside of that, I mean, I would say that there's probably like just coming in contact with people and watching their streams. I would say that I could probably recommend about another 10 different people. So definitely. Can I watch Bloomberg stream live on YouTube? I don't know. You have my permission, I guess. If you can. But big news for those of you that are interested in gaming stuff, all things gaming. I picked up another computer today. Interesting story, actually. I bought a computer. Yo, thanks for the retweet there, Gringos. I appreciate that, man. I always get cut off right in the middle of my stories by someone doing a retweet. Next coin give out will be at 5 likes. So what I was saying was I bought another computer for $150 today, but the guy had it listed at $250, and for some reason, man, like I talked him, he pretty much talked himself down to $150. I wasn't planning on paying more than $150. I bought it for $155, so props, you got an extra $55 from me. But I hit him up last night and I was like, hey, yo, is this still available through Let Go? And he was like, yeah, yo, today. And so today he hit me back. He's like, yeah. And then he's like, do you want it? Like, do you want to come pick it up? And I was like, honestly, man, I said, I think that your price is pretty high. I was like, I could probably do it for $100. And then I just kind of left it there, and he ended up like messaging me like 5 times, like, would you do it for 190? All right, the lowest I'll go is 163. All right, fine. If you come pick it up before 12, I'll do it for 153. And I was like, that's about the price that I would pay for it. So I felt like that was a fair price. Like $100 would have been like on the super cheap side. But yeah, so that's pretty much. I got a newer. It's kind of newer. The motherboard is newer than the one that I was running, and also it can hold up to 32 gigs of RAM. So it means that it will be a lot faster once I get 32 gigs on it of RAM, and then also I pulled the CPU on there was actually better than the one that I had on my computer that I run the stream on, or that I run the games on. So I pulled the CPU out of there, threw it on my gaming computer. I'm pulling the CPU off my gaming computer and putting that on my streaming computer because there's going to be less demand, I think, for the stream. And then I'm also pulling the GPU that's on my gaming computer and putting that on my streaming computer. And the codecs that I use to export the stream will be solely on the GPU. I thought I had it like right back here, but it's actually over there now. So I should be able tomorrow. I should be able to export at 1080p, not 60 frames a second, because of my HogPog that I use, which is basically like the converter that converts from one display over to another. Can only do 1080p 30 frames. So yeah, it's for me, it's like kind of like cool. So I definitely got to get a new CPU for my streaming computer or my gaming computer, because the CPU that I bought like 3 weeks ago, that was 8 cores, I completely toasted. I plugged it into this computer, the new computer that I got, and it wouldn't turn on, wouldn't power up. So at that point I was like, yep, I fried a motherboard and a CPU. You did it, coach. You did a big one. So that's that. If you buy any used hard drives, be sure to reformat. With the hard drive that I did today, I updated to Windows. It was running Windows 8. I updated to Windows 10 and did like a fresh install. I don't know if I reformatted the hard drive, but I'm thinking about just popping that one out. Like legit thinking about just popping that one out. I have that 500 whatever gigabyte one that I was using on this computer that I think should be able to handle like basic level stuff. So I think I'll probably just pop that one in there. That way I don't have to worry about anything that was on the drive at all. Because he had like still like iTunes on there and that kind of stuff, and I was like, I'm just gonna go ahead and reformat. Like I'm just gonna go ahead and upgrade to Windows 10, and completely like clear everything off of this. So I think that I did it right, but if not, like I want to be more safe than sorry, and so I'll probably in about a month, 2 months, 3 months, I might just go ahead and get like an SSD for that as well. But there's more important stuff to get on there besides an SSD. So I'm stoked about all that, what that entails. But tomorrow, I don't know if I'll be. It's gonna be hard because I'm gonna have to be putting in like lots of work tonight to make that happen, and so I don't know if I'll be up at 4 in the morning to make that happen. Because it's, you know, it's like getting programs shifted from one computer to the next, and then like quick format and fresh install is all you need. Yeah, that's what I did then. Yeah. Because it asked me did I want to clear everything off the drive, and I clicked yeah. I'm paranoid about Trojans. Yeah, man, me too. I don't like them Trojans. The Spartans, though, you got to watch out for those Spartans, you know what I'm saying? Just checking to see anybody coming from Mixer, Twitch, for sure. What's up, guys? For sure. Awesome. Good to see everybody out there on the other 2 streams. And also, it looks like somebody's coming in through Periscope as well. Awesome. That's awesome to see. But I got like a killer deal on it. It was like $150. I mean, a super nice guy. Like, don't get me wrong. And I think that it was a fair price. But it came with a monitor, a keyboard, and a computer. So good stuff, right? No Twitch login data found. Oh, I guess I can set up Twitch on here? What the heck? Oh, right here. Twitch account. Oh, right here. Yeah, I could definitely do a Twitch login. Oh, man, I don't know my username, though. So I guess I can do the silver giveaway through Twitch as well. All right, cool. Let me actually try to set that up real quick. Ah, complete the CAPTCHA. I don't even know what my password is. It says select the ones with the cars. Are you kidding me? They hate this. Once there are none left. Alrighty. Oh my goodness, apparently I did it wrong. I don't see any more cars in this. Oh my goodness, now it wants me to do street signs? Okay. How many times do I gotta verify? Are you kidding me? This is the worst. Oh, finally it says I'm not a robot. Oh, this is weird because I don't know what it is. Trouble, let's go to trouble logging in. No, I can't reset my password. No, if I do that, that's bad. That's even worse. I just have to figure it out. Because if I reset my password, then Restream will do weird things. Oh well, we'll get it set up here in a little bit. Yo, what up? Joining from Mixer, man. I appreciate that. Who said hi? Let me see. Superhero Kid Triple X or Superhero Kid X. What's up, man? It's good to see you. Thanks for swinging by the web show. I appreciate that. We're gonna be talking about more investments right now, but in the mornings, man, I run a gaming stream as well. So if you're more interested in gaming, by all means, I'll see you in the morning. But if you want to hang around and learn about investments and that kind of stuff, stick around tonight, man. Maybe if you're younger, maybe your parents will open up you a custodial account. But yo, oh my goodness, man! Thank you for the follow. I appreciate that. We're gonna get the notification. The notification popped up right there. We're gonna get those updated here shortly. I got. So I run a YouTube channel also, and I do all my editing for my YouTube channel, and I got an editor finally, and so he'll be editing 2 of my videos a week for right now. I hope that he'll be able to do more into the future, but right now I feel like that's all that I can afford. Plus, I know that that'll give me some time to do some well-needed maintenance on the channel. On my YouTube channel, and then also on my live stream, like those notifications. I don't like the zombie, but is kind of like standard default. But I'm gonna get me doing some like hype, the hype dance that's from Fortnite, and then also some other dances from Fortnite, and then also some other cool stuff. So, yo, thanks for sure. Tomorrow morning will probably be either Realm or Fortnite. I haven't really decided yet, but I've been like trying to grind out Realm Royale 100%. Can I come down here with you guys? You guys' comments haven't showed up. For sure. So I'm streaming across like 3 different platforms right now, but for sure, man, thanks for the follow over on Mixer. I appreciate that. 100 cement. But do you guys want a article review first, or do you want a recap video, article review, recap video? I guess we can kind of, I'll just leave it up to you guys to decide that. Low key, my article review is on Tesla, and my recap videos, one's on Stash Retire, one's on Acorns. So yeah. Yeah, welcome Slash. We're just waiting for some feedback. Elon Musk first. Yes. For sure. Definitely. We'll just dang man, we got a split decision. A split decision over on YouTube. Definitely. You know what? Let's go ahead and I feel in a good mood. Like I feel like I could really talk about some Elon right now. So I just want to go ahead and jump into that. How about that? That works for everybody? All right, cool. Here we go. And 3, 2, 1. At the end of this video, for those of you that are on Mixer or like Twitch, I will do like a sign off. That doesn't mean that the stream is ending. That just means that that video part is ending. So I'll still be on the stream. Like I got like 5 more things to do. Do you have Portal Nights? Nah, but should I get it? Do you think that I should get it and play it? Let me look it up. Let me search it up right now. Oh, dude. Is it on stream or is it it's not free, right? A 3D action box. Oh, I gotta buy it now. Oh yeah, it's on stream. Steam, yes. Let's see how much it costs. Yo, I just want to see some gameplay. I gotta see what's. I gotta watch some gameplay of it. It looks pretty cool though. Tactical action combat. Shrek your foes and dodge their attacks in a fast third-person battle. Outwitch each enemy's unique AI. Ooh. Yo. Yeah, so definitely I'll probably look at purchasing this game. I mean, it looks super fun. Like I might just get the demo and play the demo tomorrow, but let's see what it costs on PC. I'm going to go to Steam right now. It is very good. It's $20. I might buy it, man. Are you going private with them? I'd get out of that mess. We shall see. We shall see. But yeah, Superhero Kid. I'm going to go ahead and post my Discord up in the chat real quick. Feel free to join up on there. I'm gonna post it. And we can talk about it more. I have like different kind of subcategories. There's like a gaming. I'm getting my Discord more organized. Before it was like super disorganized because I didn't have really time to focus on it. But it's definitely getting more organized for sure. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and share this up on I'll go ahead and share my link in Discord. And then I don't know if I'll stream it tomorrow, but we'll definitely I'll definitely keep it up like on the top, and maybe like early next week or something like that. I got to get approval from the wife. She's like the accountant of the channels. So I got to get approval from her first before I can go do that. So there's my Discord right there. I just shared the link. Feel free to just join up on there. There is, let me just check real quick. There's like, right now I have just under gaming, I just have Fortnite usernames, but I'll definitely add more stuff on there, and we can go ahead and chat it up for sure. So that's where like I post like everything, all things YouTube. Right now I just run a gaming stream. I don't do anything else gaming, but I do plan on, once my channel continues to grow, I do plan on like having an actual editor that's specifically for only gaming. So right now it's still too small to be able to afford that, to make that happen. Sup Trav, what up Jacob? Yo, I got your message about that about what you're saying about how you wanted to learn how to edit videos and that kind of thing. For sure, man. I could definitely kind of show you a little bit of what I do. For me though, like my editing style is like super basic. So like I would say even Gestures is better at editing than I am. Mine is more like a video mill kind of edit. Like it's very like kind of like a assembly line in editing. So human fall flat. Is that another game? I don't know if that's another game, but that's kind of how I edit. So it'll be super simple kind of edits, but I mean there is some kind of tips and tricks that I have, so for sure. I just haven't had time to be able to message. Like, trust me, man, I've been so behind on messages, even like business stuff. Like the stuff's getting like, and we're going into like our busiest time of the year, man. I'm like super stoked. Like you guys have no clue. I'm like super stoked for what's ahead. Human fall flat. I don't know what that is, but I think it's another what game? Ooh. Yo, you be turning me on to all these games, man. Human Fall Flat is a fun game. Whoa. All right. What I think I'll do is I'll probably try out Portal Knights first, and then I might go ahead and we'll see how that's like successful that one is, and then we'll go ahead and switch over to, for me, like I've been enjoying Realm, but for me it's so hard to be good at it, and I feel like that maybe I need to change it up to a different stream. But yeah, definitely, for sure. I'll keep both of those in mind. And what I'll do is also on my Discord is I'll put a link in my in the gaming feed for gaming suggestions for streams, and then for sure, definitely. All right, let's go ahead and get into my article review for sure. For sure. Thanks for all the suggestions, Super Kid. I'm lagging so bad. As over on YouTube, good streaming game that you and Jake can play. Oh man, I'm gonna have to for sure check that out then. Definitely. So anyways, let's go ahead and jump into it. I don't think it's me lagging because I'm not dropping any frames. So sometimes I don't think it's my upload speed either. So for sure, you corrected your. Definitely. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into the actual Keith Condensed. Now I should drop a little frame rate right here. Contingent upon, let's see. Yep, all right, cool. Let me get back to my editor right here. All right, let me get back to this. Here we go. All right, cool. Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to the live stream, or if you're watching this at a later date on my YouTube channel, it will be known as Keith Condensed. Today, well, the whole month of August, I've been really doubling down on a lot of articles, a lot of news, current events, financial related topics. And so today was honestly probably some of the biggest news that we'll have in August, which is in regards to Elon Musk, Tesla's own Elon Musk, says that he thinks it's in the best interest of Tesla to go private. Do I know Ninja? I don't know Ninja personally, but I know who Ninja is. He seems like a pretty cool dude. I'd love to meet him, but I do not know him personally. Like, I don't have his phone number, or he's not my friend on Fortnite. Got sidetracked right there. Anyways, so the article that I wanted to kind of discuss today, use kind of as leverage, is an article written by Rick Newman, senior columnist at Yahoo Finance. Says Tesla's Elon Musk just invited a big lawsuit. So, I mean, this is kind of like a subsect of like the big news that Tesla might be going private at $420 a share, which is like crazy news because right now, I think at the close it was like at $370. So like that's some huge growth that could potentially happen on a buyout. But he was saying that in here, the funding for the buyout, like the loan, you know, you got to get approved for a loan to make that happen, to be able to have that much money to buy that all those equity, to buy those shares back for anybody that wants to like sell. Basically what he was saying is that if that funding falls through, then like Elon Musk could have a huge lawsuit for that tweet. And he was basically saying because there's a lot of short sellers on this stock that are, I mean, expecting it to drop, and because it rose so quickly off of a tweet that he tweeted out, possibly like fake news, that, I mean, I think it's completely backwards, but that these short sellers could be out of a ton of money, and so they would come after him for their losses. And honestly, like, if you're trying to short sell the market, like, do you not expect to lose at least some point in time? Like, I mean, if you're trying to short the S&P 500, like, long term, like, come on, dude. So, anyways, I think short selling is just a terrible idea anyways, but I mean, for me specifically, like, I think that Elon Musk has set his mind to making this happen. Like, legitimately, like, I think that he'll make this buyout happen. I think that he really thinks it is in the best interest of Tesla to go private, and I completely agree with Elon in this regard, because there is a lot of like controversy around Tesla stock, and that's why there's so much volatility around it. And I think it's ridiculous, because I don't think that Tesla in and of itself is a super volatile company. Like, it doesn't really make all that much sense for them to be a complete volatile company. Like, they're a huge like market cap company, and yet they're super volatile. Like, it doesn't make any sense. And that's because there's a lot of people that are releasing like negative news, and then they release positive news, and release negative news and positive news, and release negative news and release positive. And it seems like Elon Musk is in the positive negative news releasing battle as well. So I think it would be in the best interest of Elon and Tesla to go private. However, what does that mean for me and like my assets, or my wife's assets in Tesla? Like, will she close her position on Tesla? I don't know. I honestly don't think that she even knows that this news has came out. I personally don't think that she knows that her account on M1 right now, her Tesla stock is up 33%. I don't think that she knows that. I think that she may have like an inkling, but I'll definitely talk to her when she gets home and see what her plan is moving forward with that. And then I'll go ahead and let you guys know what her plan is with the Tesla stock. For me, I'm going to stay out of it. I don't like Tesla as a company. I think they have too much debt. They don't make any money as far as operating income. So for me, it's not a company that I would even touch with a 10-foot or 100-foot or 1,000-foot stick. But for her, she sees a bright future with Tesla. And I mean, her reasons, I think, like, hands down, she has great reasons for investing into them. But for me, it's just like on paper, it's just not something that I could do. So that's kind of up in the air as regards to Tesla. Big news, like I said, I don't think Elon will get in much trouble with this whole releasing that Tesla probably will be going private. Again, I think he's kind of fed up with the idea of like Tesla's gonna implode on itself, and it's like, as quoted by a Wall Street Journal, and it's like, oh my goodness, their stock dropped 30% or 10% that day. Like, I think he's kind of like, forget this. Like, we're just going to go private. And, like, I'll just let everybody know that we're going to go private. And then we'll make it happen. And then, like, we're out of here. Like, we don't got to worry about it anymore. So, anyways, I would love to know your thoughts on, do you think Tesla should go private? What are your plans if you hold Tesla moving forward? Feel free to let me know down in the comments, or if you're in the live stream, let me know right now. But as for right now, it has been real. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Let me just go ahead and stop that. Can we play Fortnite together? Yes. If you're on my Discord, throw your username in the username, Fortnite username Discord chat, and I will add you. Or if you want to add me, my name is Coach Keith. I'll put it in the chat right now. And then you can go ahead and add me also. Let me go ahead and run back through the chat for sure, though. Let's see. Human Fall Flat is a fun game. Definitely, I'll keep that in mind. I'd get out one. If the deal falls through, the stock will drop a bunch. If it is successful, the company will go private, and you'll have to deal with that. Yeah, I don't hold any shares of Tesla, so I'm not too worried. But my wife's account, I mean, we'll see what she wants to do. It's not my account, so I'm not going to. I'll give her my advice, my opinion on it. But what she wants to do is what she wants to do, right? They may not have partial shares in the private holding. And yeah, if that's the case, then she's going to be closed out of it anyways. I actually held Solar City when they got purchased by Tesla, so that was a good positive for me. It went from $18 to $24 a share. That was a swing trade that was actually really, really well for me. No clue. I'm not touching Tesla. I never wanted to. Definitely, I feel you there, Jacob. That's the way that I feel about Tesla too. Can I have some coins, Nightbot? No, I don't think you can give out Nightbot. I think he's a psychopath. A sociopath. I don't think Elon Musk is a sociopath. I think he's a visionary, and he has an idea of what he thinks the world should look like, and he's not going to stop until he gets to where it happens. And I think the guy is very, very driven, and that can come off looking a whole bunch of different ways. But I mean, he does have, I would say he does have some of those sociopath like tendencies for sure. They are volatile because they have no profits, and it's all hype, either positive or negative. I agree with you there. That's something that I think about all the time, that they don't generate profits. If you look at the total return formula, the only component is speculative returns. Total returns equals dividends plus earnings growth plus dividends. Yes, I agree. For sure. No, and that's why they're so volatile, is because of the speculative returns. Can we play Fortnite together? I definitely answered that already. Total returns equals dividends plus growth plus speculative returns. I mean, yeah, I was like, you put dividends in there twice. Question for you, Coach. What it means for me as a shareholder? Oh, definitely. So Travis, for you as a shareholder, so basically what that means, well, I can tell you what it meant for me going from like Solar City to becoming part of Tesla is typically what they did with that. I think they just did like a straight buyout. So if you held shares of Solar City, then your shares, I think if you haven't had enough to convert over into Tesla stock. So for instance, if it was like you had, like, I think they bought it at $24 a share. Say Tesla was at the time like $240. Say you had 10 shares. I think that your shares just converted over into one share of Tesla stock. I'm not too sure on that though. But if like he was saying, if like Slash was saying, if you don't own an entire share, then you'll probably just get bought out at that 420 price, and you'll get the pay of whatever that is. If you own a full share, then it will just convert over to private stock, and then from there, closing those positions could be pretty hard. It's definitely not going to be as liquid as it is trading on the NASDAQ or the New York Stock Exchange. So, I mean, personally, for me, like, I really hope that my wife doesn't stay in it, because I don't want to deal with that private. So put Coach Keith. Yeah, if you add me on Fortnite, it's Coach Keith YT live on and you got to add me through Epic Games. If you add me through Xbox app, yo, what up, Ja, man? Good to see you, man. Thanks for swinging by on the stream. So if you add me through, so put Coach Keith YT live. 6-month liquidity. Yeah, so it's a lot harder to liquidate your assets with Tesla. Yep. I'll for sure add you when I get on Fortnite. I was on like a try. I just tested it within my new computer today, but other than that, no, I haven't been on Fortnite this like entire week. But I definitely hop on the weekend. So whether I stream or not, I'll be on the weekend for sure. Like I play like probably like 3-4 hours of Fortnite on the weekend. What up, Ja, man? You're up to 1,850 subs or something like that. That's crazy. 5 likes. Yo, thank you for letting me know on YouTube, man. Let's just go ahead and reward. Like what? I think that 5,000 is probably good, right? Yeah, I have 30 in it. Yeah, then they'll probably, that share will just go ahead and get liquidated, and you'll just get paid whatever the liquidation price is on that. For sure, though. Smack the like button. You already know if you're on YouTube, make sure to do that. Yeah. So partial shareholders are a little bit different than full shareholders. So if you were like a full shareholder, you could keep that equity and just go private, and then you would own like 0.001% of that company. Yeah, so they're gonna probably just liquidate that, even if you held till the very end, and then they'll just pay you. I think usually they let that people know, and honestly, once that kind of happens and that's announced, I believe it'll be Stash's job to inform you exactly what's happening with that. I could be completely wrong with that, but that's what I would think. Like they should let you know that there's a buyout happening between Tesla, or that they're going private, and here's what it means for you. Because it is one of the stocks that they allow you to invest in. Going on Fortnite now. Be back soon. For sure, man. Have fun. Get some wins. Get some of those dubs. Superhero. Thanks for stopping by, man, and thanks for the follow. That's why everyone bought it today. Exactly. Exactly, because if it goes up to $420 buyout, it's like an easy. It's like easy money. It's like an easy $40. You know what I'm saying? So that's why. But good stuff, dude. Good stuff, dude. Yeah, that's pretty much why everybody bought it today, because basically it's like the CEO of the company is saying like, I need red jacket now. Yes, I think I have. No, I just have the lady, the thick lady, that's got like the motorcycle helmet. I don't think that's red jacket though, right? I can't remember their names, man. I'm so bad with any names of characters on Fortnite. Like, it's terrible, and just names in general. Drift. Oh, for sure. The Drift red jacket. Yeah. I'm working on the mask. Actually, I think I got the mask. I think I'm working on the jacket too. Yeah, I think if you think it's worth the risk, then wait. But like I said, I wouldn't touch Tesla. That's my personal opinion. Not something that I would really consider. With the mask. Yeah, you know it. Yo, you'll have to check out some of my you have to check out on my YouTube channel a few of my Fortnite edits. I got like 2 that I've been doing, that I've been laying down. for the culture. I'll throw up my most recent one in the stream. I might just find it right quick. Here you go. I'll throw it up, but feel free to check that one out. You'll get $43. So if they buy at 420, yeah, exactly. Which, I mean, it could be at 420, it could be around 420. I mean, that's just kind of like Elon's, I think, target price. So that is my second question. This is my first. So smart to sell now or wait when the buyout. So here's kind of how I would treat. Here's how I personally would treat this. I would look at it. I would revert back to the strategy that you have. First of all, so what's the long-term approach? Why did you buy Tesla to begin with? And if it was long-term, 5-10 year plan, then I mean, honestly, you're probably not going to be able to put in another $300 to own a full share, so it's going to eventually liquidate. However, the news, this is just news. So I think SpaceX and Boring have definitely, for sure. So here's kind of my thinking behind it. It's just news right now. There's no officials. So put it this way, let's look at the opposite. Let's stop looking at the positive, like a buyout could happen at $420, right? Let's look at the negative. What could happen? There's no buyout, right? They don't get approved or whatever. There's no buyout that happens. Tesla's back to being the same Tesla that they were before Elon Musk ever said anything. So if it goes back to the same Tesla, then wasn't that your original strategy anyways? So I did it. Yo, congratulations, man. So that's kind of the way that I see it right there. You know what I'm saying? Like, if nothing happens, the share price is obviously going to decrease. Like, by all means, it will decrease. But what is the downside risk? At least 10% decrease today will be lost. Oh yeah, for sure, 100%. I think it's definitely like a 20%. I would say, like, my personal opinion, I think it's like a 20% decrease at least. Even possibly even more. But I think also, like, it doesn't change Tesla as a company. You know what I'm saying? Like, whether they go private or whether they stay public, for you personally, like, it doesn't change anything as Tesla as a company. Like, they're still the same Tesla. They're just now private instead of being public. I just tweeted, I don't think he will do it. Trump. Good stuff. Wait, did you retweet me? Is that what you're saying? Or did you just send out a tweet? So that would be kind of my thought process with Tesla, and that's kind of what I'm going to talk when I talk to my wife about it too. I'm going to explain to her, like, here's what could happen is that with fractional shares, you probably get bought out, and so you'll get your share price maybe valued at $420, probably a little bit less than that because it is a fractional share. So there's a little bit of sliding that happens with fractional shares. Definitely. Or it goes back to being the same Tesla, which is the reason why she bought it originally, because she thinks that going into the future, that she thinks that Tesla has a bright future. And so whether they're private or public, that future, that bright future probably doesn't change much. I forgot my password on Twitter. It was just a tweet. I don't think he will do it. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, for sure. I read that wrong. I thought it said I just tweeted. It said it was just a tweet. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. He did send out an email though. like stating to the employees what he meant. But I mean, maybe they get those kind of emails all the time, right? Who knows? I don't work for Tesla. So yeah, that's kind of my like thought process on it. And also, like with selling right now, you would have to factor in some short-term capital gain tax versus the long-term capital gains tax if you were to hold it for a year or whatever. You know what I'm saying? So there is that kind of factor in there too. Who knows the ETA for them doing a buyout like that? I mean, it was honestly just a tweet like Tesla should go private at $420 a share. That's basically what I got from it. Like right here, this is a tweet. Am considering taking Tesla private at $420. Funding secured. So there's the official announcement if you'd like to read it. But yeah, that's big news. Honestly, I don't really like focus a whole lot on news because it's just that. I think when the rubber meets the road, this isn't just a tweet. Nah, definitely it's not. It was just a tweet when it first was released. Final decision has not been made yet, but the reason for doing this is all about creating the environment for Tesla to operate best. As a public company, we're subject to wild swings in our stock price that can be a major distraction for everyone working at Tesla. Obviously, Tesla probably has an employee opportunity ownership program for their stock as well. So you can imagine if someone's been working there for 5-10 years, they've got a lot of stock probably in Tesla. And you can imagine like up 20% one day, down 10% the next day, like what kind of emotion that would create in a workplace like that. Yeah, right here he says all of whom are shareholders. Being public also subjects us to quarterly earnings cycles. That puts enormous pressure on Tesla to make decisions that may be right for the given quarter, but not necessarily right for the long term. Finally, as the most shorted stock in the history of the stock market, being public means that there are large numbers of people who have the incentive to attack the company. I fundamentally believe that we are at our best when everyone is focused on executing, when we can remain focused on long-term mission, and when there are not perversive incentives for people to harm what we are trying to achieve. SpaceX is a perfect example. I would like to structure this so that all shareholders have a choice. Either they can stay investors in a private Tesla, or they can be bought at $420 per share, which is a 20% premium over the stock price following Q2 earnings call, which had already increased by 16%. My hope is for all shareholders to remain, but if they prefer to be bought out, then this would enable them to happen at a nice premium. Second, my intention is for all Tesla employees to remain shareholders of this company, just as is the case at SpaceX. If we go private, employees would still be able to periodically sell their shares and exercise their options. This would enable you to still share in the growing value of the company that you have all worked so hard to build over time. Third, the intention is not to merge SpaceX and Tesla. They would continue to have separate ownership and government structures. However, the structure envisioned for Tesla is similar in many ways to the SpaceX structure. External shareholders and employee shareholders have an opportunity to sell or buy approximately every 6 months. So every 6 months you would have basically an opportunity to buy or sell your shares if you would like. Finally, this has nothing to do with the accumulated control for myself. I own about 20% of this company now, and I don't envision that being different after the deal is complete. Basically, I'm trying to accomplish an outcome where Tesla can operate at its best, free from as much distraction and short-term thinking as possible, and where there is as little charge for all of our investors, including all of our employees, as possible. The proposal to go private would ultimately be finalized through a vote of shareholders. If the process ends the way I expect it will, a private Tesla would ultimately be an enormous opportunity for all of us. Either way, the future is bright, and we will keep fighting to achieve our mission. So that's straight from basically Elon's email right there. So basically, he's talking about shareholders. He's not talking about fractional shareholders. Yo, Young Stallion 77, thanks for the follow, man. I don't know if I missed any of your chats up in the stream. I don't think I did, but thanks for the follow. I appreciate it, man. Much love. For sure. Thanks for the follow on Mixer. I do stream on YouTube and Twitch as well. So I'm talking about some Elon Musk stuff. There will probably be a proxy vote for sure. So yeah, that's kind of everything in a nutshell. So with a fractional share, I think that you'll just get bought out. That would be my thoughts, because yeah, I'd to get tons of it. Okay, cool. Yo, for sure. Yeah, and then in the morning, Young Stallion, I run a gaming stream, so probably tomorrow I'll run either Realm Royale or Fortnite, and then at night, except for tomorrow night I take the night off, but every like 5 nights a week I run an investment stream as well. So it's kind of like the best of both worlds. Pick your poison kind of thing. If you prefer gaming, like by all means go there. If you prefer investments, like by all means go there. And then I also run a YouTube channel where I upload tons of investment videos, and I'm trying to get some more gaming videos up there as well. But right now it's just more of like a gaming stream for sure. I've gotten to do proxy votes through M1. Yeah. I mean, it probably counts as what, 0.01 vote or something like that, but it's a vote. Or if you own an entire share, like I've definitely voted for stuff via proxy for sure. So yeah, that's it. I want to go ahead and get into my season videos, if you guys don't mind, because I can't believe it, but we're already at like an hour on the stream. Like, that's crazy. So I got to get into those right quick, really quickly. Wow, you're amazing. Yo, thanks, Young Stallion. I appreciate that, man. You're probably just as amazing. Sending you them positive vibes. No, you know what I mean? Let's go ahead and get into my season videos for sure. I gotta get some stuff. I gotta get the screen recorder pulled up on my phone. Yo, what up, Precaution 8? Hi, how's it going, man? It's good to see you, dude. We just finished talking about some Tesla stock stuff with Elon Musk and what the future holds for them. Wait, did Gestures just end his live stream, or did he? Because I just got another notification. Did his stream probably crashed, huh? Dang, that's a bummer. Vic, yo, what's up? Are you playing Realm Royale? Nah, not tonight, man. Just so tonight, nightly streams are strictly investment talk, like, only, except for Friday night. Friday night's like a big, huge super stream that I run on YouTube and also on Mixer and Twitch. But for right now, like, the streams at night, when we can, I invest. Yo, great question, Young Stallion. I don't know how old you are, but there's this thing called a custodial account, and your parents can open up a custodial account for you. I can think of a few different. There's an app that I have and use. It's called Stash, and I mean, where can I invest? If you want to invest, like there's for me, I personally use 4 different platforms. They're all investment apps. There's one called Robinhood, one called Stash, one called Acorns, and one called M1 Finance. I think that each one of those is probably a decent platform. Are you playing Realm? And I wanted to get back to that question real quick. So yeah, morning streams are gaming, strictly gaming. I won't talk about an investment thing at all. I mean, maybe we'll allude to it. Oh, I see on Realm. I see you on Realm Royale. Oh man. Yo, my bad. Wait. No, that's not right. I should have changed it. Let me go check that out. Yo, my bad. But I definitely will be live in the morning on Realm Royale or Fortnite, one or the other. I can't make a decision yet. I haven't made a decision. But let me go look at my live stream real quick, because I thought I changed it to news and politics. But maybe YouTube just is being weird and like put me on Realm for Realm's sake, because YouTube does that. But let me check real quick just for you. Can I find your app in the Play Store? You can find the app in the Google Play Store for sure. Yeah, it says news and politics. That's weird that I'm coming up on Realm stream on you. Is it on YouTube Gaming? Or is it just like that you've seen my stream before on Realm Royale YouTube? I don't know. Can it's not my app. Like, it's somebody else that made the app. It's just apps that I use. Yeah, you just Google, just in the Google Play Store, boom, they'll be on there. If you got to be over 18 though. If you're not over 18, you got to get like your parents to open up a custodial account. And I think Stash is the only one that has a custodial account right now. Oh, on Mixer too. Yeah, so I'm answering questions on Mixer as well, but right now I'm on like 3 different platforms. I'm on Twitch, Mixer, YouTube, and Periscope also. So I'll get like 5 different streams out. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so the gaming streams happen in the morning. So for sure, if you want to join in for there, definitely. And if you want to play Realm with me in the morning, for sure, like, I'll be down. Oh yeah, my Twitch. Yo, I got to get all that set up still. That's what I was saying. I can go ahead and post my link though, for sure. Let me go ahead and do that for you for Twitch. I haven't had Nightbot's being kind of Nightbot is being behind the schedule. But don't worry, I got you. I just shared it up in the stream. So that's my Twitch account right there. I like I said, I've been so busy with editing stuff for my YouTube channel, and I think that having this editor this week and then next week and so on and so forth will free up some time to give my channel some well-needed maintenance, because I've been like super slacky because I've been coming out with so many videos. So definitely. Anyways, guys, I got to really hit these season videos, so I'm going to go ahead and get stuff fired up to make that happen. And I like had it pulled up, and then I totally got distracted. So, are you a real sports coach? Yes, I coach basketball. I've also coached cross country and lacrosse and track and field. 100%. And like coming up on basketball season, I plan on releasing a lot more basketball like videos, probably in the month of September or October, because like my top viewed video right now is actually a basketball video. It's how to run the 1-3-1 press. So for sure, let me just scoot that back a little bit and get everything fired up. Anyways, guys, so I got 2 videos that I gotta do record tonight. I play basketball and football. Yo, that's awesome, man. That's so cool. I wish I would have played football in high school, but like me and the coach never really got along, so I kind of just stayed away from playing football. Gotta keep that pulled up as a reminder. Let me pull up Audacity real quick and check the gain on here. Turn the gain down just a tad, man, for sure. That's recording. That's recording. This is recording. Let me get this one recording real quick. And let me pull up my actual... Yo. What up, everybody? Welcome to the stream. Let me get my Let me get my chair down real quick. Yeah, I played lacrosse in college, NCAA Division II, for sure. So, anyways, we want to just get that set up right there, and then also get this script pulled up. 100 submit. Boom. Here we go. Alrighty. Alrighty, here we go. This one isn't going to work. Alright, guys, we're going to go ahead and get into it. So if you guys have questions, I'll have to come back to them. You have coached basketball, cross country, lacrosse, and lacrosse. Yes, I have. For sure. Right now, I'm strictly like basketball, though. Anyways, guys, I got to get into this right now. So I'll come back to you guys' questions here in just like literally like probably like 10-20 minutes. No, 10 minutes. So if you got questions, you can either save them till I'm finished with this one, and then I'll run back through the questions and then start another one. Lots of rules to remember. Nah, man, once you played the sport, you kind of just like understand the principles and why the rules exist, and then like after that, you don't really need to understand the rules all that much. And all sports games are very, very similar. Let's go ahead and get into it, though. Hey, what's up? Ooh, gotta take off the sunglasses. Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to episode number I think it's 106. Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to episode number 165 here on season number 2. And today we are getting into Acorns Recap, July edition. So these videos are meant for educational purposes only and not meant to be taken as financial advice. You're responsible for your assets and to properly protect them. So always, please do your own research. Yo, for sure, we can definitely talk about sports forever, man. So even if we can't talk as much tonight, just to kind of sidetrack real quick from the video feed, we'll for sure talk about it any other night. So just go ahead and hit that follow button, and whenever I'm live, I'm down to talk about sports. You can even talk about them in the morning when I'm gaming, for sure, man. Later, though, for sure. So last month I reported that this Acorns account was not year-to-date positive. However, this month the tides did turn, and I actually am up 1.8% year-to-date on this account. I mean, which means that there was a significant amount of growth on my Acorns account. Because last month I was down 1.59% negative. So basically going from a negative $22.51 to a positive $41 or $44.51. Honestly, like for me, like this is crazy how fast this account grew in a month. Because like I think like it's the most conservative account I have, and yet it literally grew the fastest, like grew the most this month. Like I was thinking, like when I haven't crunched the numbers, like I had to go back and crunch them again because like there was no way that this account moved that fast this month, but yet it did. So my gross on my Acorns account this month was $144.77, which is up from last month. Last month's growth was $73.55. However, if you minus like all my deposits, my roundups, my regular deposits, my 1 month $5 deposit or whatever, you get a net profit of $82.86 or 3.87%. Last month I did take a negative 0.74%. And like I said earlier on, like maybe like 2 minutes ago, this is the most conservative account I have. And so it's really, really cool to see my most conservative account still grab a huge piece of growth this month. But let's go ahead and actually take a look on the phone on my actual account real quick. So this is my Acorns account right now. There's $2,562 in there and 20 cents. We'll go ahead and take a look at the past real quick, and we'll scroll down to the very, 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 very bottom to the beginning of July. Oh, we're in the month of June now. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Alrighty. Starting with July 2nd. We got roundups coming in for 35 cents, 34 cents, a dividend paid for $3.17 from large company stocks. More roundups, obviously, a dividend paid of $1.45 from corporate bonds, a dividend paid from government bonds of 75 cents. More dividends. I got a referral reward this month. That's awesome, yo. If you use my link to sign up, I appreciate it. Thank you so much. I'm glad that you found it because I don't even know where the heck that thing is located. So thank you so much for finding it. First of all, if you're the one that signed up this month, feel free to let me know down in the comments. I would love to personally thank you, maybe on the next episode. Another roundup, one-time investment of $20 on the 18th. More roundup. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's working. Oh my goodness. No. We ended it at 5. Yo, guys, we got to go ahead and run back through that real quick. I don't know what the heck happened, but I'm going to go ahead and restart the videos because apparently we went off somewhere. So no sound, coach. I know. All right, let's go ahead and we're going to go ahead and restart that, guys. My bad about that. Because I got to get 2 videos tonight, so that's just the way that we got to roll it. So, yo, man, that's literally terrible, but it does happen. So, let me go ahead and export this. I'll listen to the very end of the part, and then I'll just go ahead and pick up right where I left off. Let me go stop these cameras real quick. All right, let me get this thing. Honestly, I'm going to go try to grab a different cord because I'm using a different cord right now. The cord I've been using has worked quite a bit better in the past, so. One might work better right there. I think that one should work better. All right, let me listen to this real quick and find out where I left off at. You guys can listen to it with me too if you want. Let me just get the right thing on here. Here we go. Let me get this. And let me pull up my actual. Yo, what up, everybody? Welcome to the stream. This is me. This is my recording. Let me get my chair down real quick. We'll go to the months. Feel free to let me know down in the comments. I would love to personally thank you. Maybe on the next episode. Another roundup. One-time investment of $20 on the 18th. More roundup. This is recording. Let me get this one. Roundup on the 18th. This is recording. Roundup on the 18th. Got it. This one recording real quick. Cool. We'll go ahead and put that back on there. Oops, sorry about that, guys. Turn down that a little bit. Cool. I should have fixed it then. Right there, that should be fixed. Roundup on the 18th. Got it. Yo. So I think it was just pulling too much CPU or something. I don't know what the heck happened. It sounds better for sure. Yeah. It's I brought in this newer cord because it's longer, so I can get some more reach than the shorter cord. But so I'm gonna go ahead and start everything back up again, and then we'll just continue on with it. And let me start recording here again, and start recording here again for sure. And let me go to my Acorns account again. Cool. Most likely Darth Vader. Yo, so true though. Alrighty, let's go ahead and it's playing up a little bit. I think that should be wrong USB port. Nah, it's just the cord was a little bit rusty because it was left out in the rain, but it worked. And so I thought it would continue work, but apparently maybe not. And for some reason, like I'm getting like super better pickup on my audio. Weird. Let me turn that volume down. Yeah, that's kind of weird. Okay, cool. Anyways, let me get back to my whew. Round up on the 18th. Let me get back to the 18th. Yeah, so one-time investment on the 20th, roundups on the 20th, one-time investment on the 18th, roundups on the 20th, more roundups coming in, a one-time investment on the 20th, on the 26th, more roundups on the 27th, roundups on the 30th, and then into August, some dividends and some roundups. But let's go ahead and take a look at the actual overall performance on my account. So for the 1 year, I've done $279, and actually for the overall, I've done $279.85 gain, which comes to 12.22%. Over the 1 year, I've done $240.80, 10%. The 6 month I've done, wait for it to load up for sure, 5.59% or $137.93. For the 3 month, I've done $80.38 or 3.24%. The 1 month, I've done $34.97 or 1.38%. And then for the 1 day, I haven't lost or made any money for sure. But for me, like I am really excited to see where this account goes moving forward, because it is my most conservative account. So for me, like it does show like dollar cost averaging does matter. And like, even though I'm really heavily exposed to bonds in this account, even though I'm really heavily exposed to bonds on this account, like
I was still able to buy those equities that had dropped, those ETFs that had dropped. And so that way, when they did run quite a bit for me. So I don't know what exactly ran this month because I don't really pay a whole lot of attention to it. I just kind of set it and forget it. That's the way that I do with Acorns. I just kind of do away with it, right? I don't need to worry about it. It's Acorns. It does itself. And I forgot where I kind of went to after that, but it's all right. 5 minutes. Also, one other thing that I wanted to look at as well is the overall account summary. So this month, this year, this overall on my total account, I made $69.93 in dividends, almost 70 bucks. I made $35 in referrals. I've had a total gain loss of $272.85 on my account with an overall investment of $2,254.18. So, I mean, as you can see, my account has continued to grow. This account I've had for almost 2.5 years. So I'm interested to see the compound interest snowball effect work 3.5 years, 4 years, 5 years, when I start getting like a 50% return or something like that. Like for me, like it's really starting to show the investments that I made 2.5 years ago are really starting to make some good gains on my account. So I'm really happy with where it will go into the future. Anyways, we'll go ahead and leave it right there. Let's jump into the question of the day, which is, what's the weirdest thing you used to eat as a child? And I don't know if this is like really that weird, but for me, like, I think it is completely weird, and all my friends thought it was weird. And this was like junior high, early high school even. We coined the term a corn dog sickle, and basically it was like a frozen corn dog. Like, it wasn't even like, because you can microwave corn dogs, you know what I mean? So it wasn't even like that. It was like literally frozen. And so I would just eat those cold. It was kind of like a popsicle, but not. You know what I mean? Super weird, right? Super weird. I know, like, super weird thing to eat, right? Okay. Anyways, like, let's just be honest. But anyways, we will go ahead and leave it right there. Like I always say, if you got any questions regarding Stash, Acorns, Rob, M1 Finance, as well as general investing, business, Etsy, coaching, post those questions down below. Please don't forget to subscribe right up here. Check out these 2 videos right here and a link. And as always, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Boom! Finally, we got that done. And the camera's about to die too. Woo! There it goes. It just kicked off. How about that for perfect timing? Let me go ahead and get this stopped recording and get this one exported real quick.
Yo, I'm back. Cool. I think it has to do with the amount of CPU power that I'm using right now. And that's why the stream drops, if that makes sense. Save the project before closing? Nah, we good. So we're gonna jump into my Stash Retire recap also. But definitely we're getting sound back for sure. So it's just being kind of weird. But we're gonna go ahead and get in Stash Retire recap. I gotta go change a battery out on this camera real quick. I may have literally just shot myself in the foot. Anyways, let's go ahead and take a look at it. Coach, you had Vader voice in the last recording. Is it back to normal now, though? Hopefully this one has some battery life on it. Apparently I kicked it off the charger. Let's check. We got 2% on there. I could probably do it with that much. Hold on, you have Vader voice again. All right, let me do. Is that better? Is that better? That should be better, I think. Let me go put this one on the charger just in case. Yes, for now. We gotta get that AC blowing again up in here. Alrighty. I am going to get this camera put back up, and then yeah, I think it's just, yeah, so what it is the socket that I had it plugged in, the USB over there, is a little bit spotty to begin with. My computer's just 3 years old, like it's fading. It's fading. Alrighty, let me go put this back up there real quick. This is how I right here, this guy. This is how I focus. Anyways, let's go ahead and jump into number 2. This one should be a little bit easier to do. Oh, I also failed to start streaming the stream capture. Yo, guys, if it happens again, I don't know what we'll do, but I don't think it will happen again. It shouldn't, at least. Alrighty, cool. Let me go ahead and load up this one. If it, what I might do, we'll see. We'll see. All right, cool. I think that it should work. Turn this off. Turn this on. I don't need that on. I don't need that plugged in. Start recording. Alrighty. Pull this up for sure. Do the little waddle. Pull up my main feed. Alrighty, here we go. Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to episode number 166 here on season number 2. And today we are getting into Stash Retire Recap July edition. So these videos are meant for educational purposes only and not meant to be taken as financial advice. You're responsible for your assets and to properly protect them. So always, please do your own research. So last month, I reported that my Stash Retire account beat my Stash account by 1.02%. However, this month, my Stash account actually beat my Stash Retire account by 0.4%. So they're starting to become almost neck and neck here, huh? How about that? I mean, honestly, I thought about the reason why this could happen. And I think it's because either the $2 a month fee that I pay on Stash Retire versus the $1 that I pay on Stash Invest, or it could be that maybe like Real Estate Tycoon or Delicious Dividends or even Robots Rising didn't perform as well as some of my other investments that I hold on Stash Invest. Because they're still not completely equal quite yet. But still, 3 out of my 5 target percents are still reached. Park My Cash is at 26%. Delicious Dividends is at 25%. Real Estate Tycoon is now at 17%. And I am still focusing on putting as much as I can into that Robots Rising, bringing it from that 5% up to that 10% level. And as far as adding those single stocks, I'm not really concerned about it right now. Not until I'm at 10% with my Robots Rising ETF. However, the way that I've been running both my Stash Invest account and my Stash Retire account has been really, really good. Has been really stress-free for me. I mean, I feel like, honestly, I have control because I still get to buy, and I could sell if I want to, but I get to buy ETFs, so I feel like I have that kind of control. But in the heat of the moment, I don't have to make like a rational decision on where I'm going to put my money. I already have that planned out. So it's like I have control, but I don't have that much control. So for me, it's like really, really great for my personality. And I really enjoy my Stash account for that reason. As far as the gross on my account went as far as the gross on this account, it went up $38 this month, which is up from last month of $34.62. However, if you minus the two $15 deposits that I made, you get a gross growth on this account, or actually a net growth on this account of $8 or 1.9%. Last month was at a $4.62 increase or 1.10%. Let me just check to make sure that this is still recording. All right, it is. And I just want to make sure that we're not like, I could probably turn this volume up just a tad for sure. Right there, it looks about better. Anyways, that, and then add single stocks. However, super happy. I feel like I have control for sure. This is my best month overall performing. So as in regards to the year to date on my Stash Retire account, the year to date is $16.63 or a not percent. What the heck? The year to date return on my Stash account is $16.63 or 3.07%, which is up from last month, which was at $8.63 or 1.59%. By far, this is my best performing account this year, and I'm still excited to see where it goes into the future. I just know that once I get those percents leveled out, I'm really, really concerned whether there will be an extremely amount of good growth that comes, or it will be just like performing like normal. No! Well, guys, I think that we're just going to have to call that right there. My camera just died. Let me go ahead and stop recording, and that way we can make these adjustments. This is the end of this recording. Let me see if exporting kills it real quick. Stash. That might kill the stream. No. Okay. Ooh. Don't hit the mic though. Are you answering questions? Nah, so what I do is I on my investment accounts for my YouTube channel, I review the apps that I use and how much they grew, how much like the money grew or lost or whatever, just to be like really transparent. But my camera keeps on. I had so the battery that was in there right now, I had on the charger, and I guess when I walked by it or something like that, I kicked it off, and so it was like completely dead. So when I kicked it off, it was still completely dead. So I tried to like get as much as I could. and I'm afraid that if I like swap batteries again, because the battery's only been on there for like 5 minutes, that I won't get anywhere with it. And so it's not really like worth it for me to continue recording. So probably what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and take a note of where I left off at, and then I'll just pick it up in the morning. Which is right here where I was going to go to my phone. So that's probably what I'll do, is I'll just have to pick it up in the morning. Like, I'm sorry about that, but that's just the way that it's got to roll. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, coach, you need new equipment. Nah, it's not the equipment that it's a problem. The equipment's not the problem. What it is I just bunsed it with the recording. And what had happened with the mic is basically it came unplugged during like the time that I was recording, which does happen. I mean, it's a new cord, so it probably shorted or something like that. Well, it's a new cord, but it was left in the rain, so it probably just shorted. So I'll just have to pick it up. I'll just record it up in the morning, and it'll be fine. Or I might pick it up tomorrow with a. Tomorrow won't be live, so yeah, I'll just record it sometime tomorrow, and then it should be fine, right? But yeah, that's super frustrating. It is what it is, though. It doesn't. It's kind of just the way that, like, it's not the first time it happened, and I'm glad that it happened on the live stream, because I don't think a lot of people like understand that kind of stuff, like as when you're recording, like that stuff happens all the time. And for me, it's like one of the most frustrating things, because it's such a waste of time. Because sometimes could you imagine if I never seen on the live stream that mic never stopped working? Like, I would have had to go back, and me personally, like, I probably would never exported that audio clip. I probably would have just redid it. So, yeah. It's just going to be frustrating, like, sending that over to the editor, because it's our, like, first time working together. And so, like, trying to, like, explain to him, like, stuff didn't go right, and then record in both recordings. So, we'll just have to make adjustments. You know what I mean? But we'll see. It should all work out. Okay, I really wanted to listen to what you were saying. It was really drawing my attention. Yo, for sure, man. I'll definitely... I won't finish the last part of it. Basically, what I was going to do at the very end of it was just review, like, go over, like, the account, kind of, like, where I purchased stock and that kind of stuff. But, you'll get it if you go sub to my YouTube channel. Actually, but your mic died. Yeah. So both of those videos that I just recorded, actually all three of those little segments, those will get thrown up on my YouTube channel. The editor will feel like it's a test. Yeah, we'll test him out. We'll see if it works. Nah, he'll be great. So it'll be uploaded. Those videos will actually be uploaded to my channel. Probably the season videos, the ones that I recorded later on. So the one about Tesla will be. I talked about Tesla earlier on in the stream. That will be recorded. That will be uploaded probably like in a week from now. But I'm trying to get them to be where they come out the next day. And then the season videos that I recorded, those will be released probably in like 3 days from now. So yeah, it's just kind of one of those things that stuff like that happens. Like there's literally equipment does faulty things. Like there's sometimes it just does that. So I'll just have to pick it up tomorrow when I got a fresh battery. And go for it. I'll probably pick it up first thing in the morning, right after the morning stream. Okay, I'll follow you on YouTube for sure, man. There's tons of videos like that I have over on my YouTube channel where I do it. Like if you watch some of my latest videos, like you'll see exactly what I mean, and you'll be like, oh, like I could have probably watched this for sure. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Like I do it on the live stream because it provides like good content, and also like. I was really struggling, like, I would be so tired throughout the day editing video. I would like my day before I started recording them on the live stream was like edit a video in the morning, record a video, run a live stream, edit the live stream. And it was like, and then like squeeze in also, I run a woodworking company. I was like squeeze in making bike racks and signs and stuff like that. And it was like literally super exhausting. And now that I record on the actual stream, I feel like it provides better content for the stream. And then also it frees up a lot of time for me to be able to do other things during the day. So yeah, for sure, man. Thanks for the positives though. Anyways, guys, I gotta leave right there. I gotta get ready to head to bed. I gotta be up at 4 in the morning, and it's right now almost 11 o'clock for me. So I'm about 5 hours of sleep if I fall asleep right now, which that's not gonna happen. But thanks everybody for turning in tonight. I'll be live tomorrow morning, but I won't be live tomorrow night with any investment talk. But I'll be back at it on Thursday night. So if you only want to come for the investment streams, for sure I'll be live Thursday night again. If you want to come check out me playing some games, I don't specifically know what I'm going to be playing, then be there tomorrow. Is your YouTube channel Bridgeforth? Yeah, it's Coach Keith Bridgeforth for sure. That's it. That's the one. So anyways, guys, I just want to make sure that Young Stallion gets the YouTube channel. I can go ahead and post a link if you want to my YouTube page. It's not really an issue. There you go. But it has been so much fun, man. I've really enjoyed all the comments and stuff like that for sure. And I'll be back live in the morning. So I don't know if I'll probably, well, I might stay up till like midnight trying to get this 1080p thing stream up and running to get it all kind of squared away. But for sure, you're welcome. Anyways, guys, I just want to say thank you for watching one more time. It has been real. It has been awesome. Thanks for struggling through me with the camera issues, but we'll get through it. And hopefully on Thursday night, I'll have a better handle on it for sure. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you all tomorrow morning or maybe Thursday night, whatever your poison is, right? Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. I appreciate it.